Hello everyone, in front of me is Free, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, enroll the list of all apps and open settings. Then find and select security, mark face and fingerprint unlock, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. If you already have one, obviously that will not be necessary now, but if you don't, just provide it, tap on next, re-enter it, tap on confirm, and now manage notification content. And it's time to add fingerprint. Just mark fingerprint, agree with the details, with the privacy policy, and here on power button you've got your fingerprint sensor. So just by tapping like this, you can add it. So smoothly keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully added. As you can see, it has been done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously you can also use the backup pattern. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.